Are you and your partner dreaming of quick weekend escapes, where the road itself becomes part of the adventure? Well, get ready, because today we're diving into the Toyota Camper Van 2026, a compact yet luxurious home on wheels that's redefining the way couples travel. Whether it's a romantic getaway to the mountains, a coastal drive, or a cozy retreat under the stars, this van is everything you need for comfort, convenience, and unforgettable memories. Introduction. When it comes to road trips, most people think about long cross-country adventures. But let's be real. Sometimes all you want is a short and sweet escape with your significant other. That's where the 2026 Toyota Camper Van shines. It's perfectly designed for weekend getaways, giving couples the right balance of mobility, style, and home-like features without feeling bulky or overwhelming. Toyota has taken its legendary reliability and paired it with innovative camper design to create something that feels tailor-made for couples who crave both romance and adventure. Compact, yet spacious design. One of the best parts about the Toyota Camper Van 2026 is its smart space management. From the outside, it looks sleek, modern, and compact. Easy to drive through city streets and mountain passes alike. But step inside, and you'll be amazed at how much room it offers. The van is fitted with a convertible bed system that transforms from a cozy seating area in the day to a comfortable sleeping zone at night. Smart storage compartments, so you don't have to compromise on bringing essentials like clothes, camping gear, or even a few bottles of wine for your romantic nights. Large windows and skylights that not only brighten up the space, but also give you breathtaking views when parked in nature. Perfect for couples' adventures. Imagine this. You and your partner park near a quiet lake, roll open the side door, and sip coffee while morning sun rises over the water. Or maybe it's a coastal highway, with the sound of waves crashing just outside your window. The Toyota Camper Van 2026 is designed for these exact kinds of experiences. Couples will love features like dual climate control to keep both of you comfortable no matter the weather, a compact kitchen setup with a stove, mini fridge, and sink, perfect for cooking breakfast together or making late-night snacks. A fold-out dining space that doubles as a workstation if you want to blend a little remote work with your play. Comfort meets technology. This isn't just about camping. It's about camping in style. The Toyota Camper Van is packed with modern technology. A smart infotainment system with navigation, streaming, and voice control so you can focus on the drive. USB charging ports and wireless charging pads for all your devices. Energy-efficient lighting and solar panel options so you can stay off-grid longer without sacrificing comfort. Even better, the van is equipped with hybrid power options, meaning it's fuel-efficient, eco-friendly, and quiet. Perfect for peaceful getaways. Safety first. For couples hitting the road, safety is non-negotiable. Toyota has included its full suite of safety sense technology in this camper van. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras for easy parking. All of these make it stress-free to drive, even for those who aren't used to handling larger vehicles. Why it's perfect for weekend getaways. Here's the magic. You don't need to plan weeks in advance or book expensive hotels. With the Toyota Camper Van 2026, your getaway starts the moment you hit the road. It gives you the freedom to choose your own destination, a national park, a hidden trail, a quiet beach, or even just a scenic overlook a few hours from home. It's also much more budget-friendly in the long run compared to multiple hotel stays or luxury resorts, while still giving you that cozy, intimate environment. For couples who crave adventure but also want a comfort of home, the 2026 Toyota Camper Van is truly a game-changer. It's compact enough for everyday driving, yet spacious enough to create unforgettable weekend memories. So whether you're planning a surprise trip for your partner, celebrating an anniversary, or just escaping the hustle of daily life, this van is ready to take you there. With Toyota's proven reliability, modern comfort, and thoughtful design, you can focus on what really matters: the journey, the destination, and the time spent together. So, are you ready to turn your weekends into mini adventures? With the Toyota Camper Van 2026, every getaway becomes a love story on wheels.